You have a problem with automation, but you do not have the right automation installer? How easy it is to find a good installer? Search in best automation distributor and installer in Philippines. 100% of trusted automation security distributor and installers. Number 1 best security system supplier in Philippines. We can help out from Automation and Security Incorporated. We are providing dealership and selling the high-quality security, network, electrical products of major top brands. Automation installation services for residential industry and office. We supply, we install, we service. We serve city-wide surveillance system in the city of Philippines.